This is a 1976 Triumph Bonneville 750 T140V. It's a running bike. It starts all right. I've rode it. Noticed the brake light doesn't work and the high and low switch is broke, but it was all nice bike apart from them. Get it running. Had a bit of a splutter then. It didn't earlier when I rode it, but maybe the carbs need cleaning. And stood a while. It's got a little leak from the rocker cover. You might have saw it spitting, but every time I run it, I get a bit coming out. I've tried to nip it up, but it needs a new gasket for sure. There you go. From that, nice little Triumph.